Sorry, I'm talking to the camera. In case you thought I was talking to you, but I mean, you can still try. You used to know. I just said you could.
I'm gonna go. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Jackson's officially out of daycare. Now he get to roll with the big dog. Yeah, you get to roll with the big dogs. Go, baby. Don't do it. Don't.
Remember?
Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. Go, go, go. You don't need to tilt it just like that, okay? What is that on top?
What?
What does that mean?
Taco meat, I think.
Ain't no chorizo.
Yeah.
So it's not that.
Big boy plate right there.
Oh. Okay, huh? I'm looking a little ashy. I'm looking a little crazy. My hair is just, it's not giving right now. Currently waiting on Ivy to get back home from school. Jackson is home with me. It is summertime. Jackson say, oh yeah. Give it to me. Put it back. Put it back. Thank you. Y'all, it is basically summertime for Jackson. So he was actually supposed to go to school today, and then he's also supposed to go tomorrow, but he woke up with pink eye, or so it looked like pink eye. It's actually cleared up now, so I'm assuming it wasn't pink eye. I'm thinking maybe it was just like allergies. I have really bad allergies. Ivy has pretty bad allergies, so I'm assuming that that's what it was for Jackson. But it is, what are we on, Mother's Day weekend? And I have a lot of stuff to do. I just finished sending off my photography and stuff for one of my clients that I take pictures for. And then now I am about to kind of get my list and stuff together for... Oh, I gotta go to the store. Go pick up my groceries because my sister's coming to do our meal preps.
Don't drop it.
Oh, thank you, Ivy. Y'all, look what Ivy got me. He got me a flower. Can I have a hug? Thanks, baby.
Come on, everybody.
Come on, everybody. We all friends.
Yeah. And Daddy too.
It's so sweet. Look what he got me. He got me a little flower.
Flowers for mommy.
You got flowers for me?
Yeah, for Daddy. Yes. Yes, Daddy.
Go see what you want. I didn't forget that he had a field trip tomorrow, but it's kind of been like a, is it gonna happen or not? Because they canceled it before, and then they decided to go ahead and reschedule it. But then the day they canceled it because of potential rain, and tomorrow it's supposed to potentially rain again. It hasn't rained all week here in Texas, except for one day. Hey guys, so let me hurry up before Ivy and his bus gets here. We're at the Country Critters Farm in Alvarado, Texas. Ivy has a field trip. My little baby got a field trip. Come on, Jackson.
Okay. And our third rule is make sure everybody's staying together with our class.
I like dogs.
Do you like dogs, huh? Don't, hey, don't touch. You're dirty. Allergies? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Huh?
You go.
Yeah, go play. Go. Go, go, go. Jackson. Go, Jackson. Go, Jackson. Oh. Ready? We got a turkey. Don't put your fingers in there. You see that turkey? Yeah.
Let me show you something. Look. Mommy.
They said, let us out of here. Don't touch your mouth.
There's a pig right down. That's disgusting.
Starbucks. So cute. Oh, look, they got sheep. It's stinky. Let's go, Jackson. Okay. I'm ready whenever you are.
Not you. Come on. Back up. Back it up.
Back it up, back it up, back it up. Hungry. That's my red there. Put it. Ivy,
I need to go there.
you're gonna go next, okay? You having fun at the farm?
Yeah.
Excuse us.
You ready? Are you ready? Uh-oh. So here we go.
Here we go, guys.
Do you have a target? No, no target for you.
Yes, you are.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Come here, Freedom.
Say these boots are made for walking. Yeah, they made for walking. Oh yeah. Oh, be careful.
No. Oh my God.
Boy. Now he's getting. Mommy, do it. Look. See? It's okay. You want to do it with me? Be careful, Jimmy.
Are you gonna take Manny?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. Say cheese. Fix your head. That's so cool. We are at the farm. It's about to start raining. Come on, baby, let's go. Yeah, it's about to. I'm exhausted. We are home. I have taken a shower. I'm in my little chill clothes, and I'm about to take me a nap. Like, okay, so turn the TV off because it just be doing too much. Just got done getting those flowers and stuff together. Now I need to, my husband was here, I need to do my hair because baby, what is happening? I haven't curled it since I got it done. Do my hair, get my clothes and stuff ready, get the props and stuff together for our campaign. So I'm taking pictures for 2 campaigns today. So I gotta get that stuff done before we go out with this. Charge, nope. Okay, so this is the camera that I use, y'all, my babies, then threw it down and it won't close all the way now. So be very careful with this piece. But this is the camera that I use. It is the Canon 90D. Absolutely love this camera. And then I have a 35mm Sigma 1.4 art lens that I keep on it. And I gotta get the curling iron, the straightener, and the makeup. Okay. It's like a bunch of fuzzies. Oh, what's that stuff called? Whatever, I don't know. And boom. Y'all, comment down below and let me know. I would love to try some like raw hair. Back and forth with the idea. So at first I wanted to do like the tribal braids at the top and then like curly hair at the bottom. But then I saw some girl and she had like, well, obviously I think it was her hair, but it was just like really curly. And like it looked good when it was like wet, and then it also looked good like when it was dry and just like kind of curly, but it was like right here. I had a wig that was like that, but I didn't like that because it was like a closure type of situation and it just didn't look good. So yeah, I really want to try that again. Let me know what y'all think. So tropical for my birthday. Should I just do like curly hair, or should I do what did I just say? Curly hair or tribal braids? Let me know down in the comments. Be able to get them in their outfits, take the pictures, and then be done. So that way, you know, I have time to like, whoo, that was hot. At least when I have time to like put them on my phone and stuff, so that way I can do something while we're on the go. I like to try to multitask as much as I can, because I am a team of 1. I actually really want to get my assistant back, but I told myself I'm not doing any of that until I make a certain amount each month. And as right now, I haven't made that. I mean, I'm getting really close, but I want to try to stick to that goal because I feel like that'll definitely push me. And I have like a ton of stuff that she can be doing, but again, I want to be able to be feeling all of my expenses strictly out of my business and not out of my 9 to 5. All right, y'all. So just got done finishing curling my hair and doing my makeup. Oh, who is she? I'm now going to use this. I showed this to you guys in my last vlog. It's called Salt Air. It is an aluminum free deodorant. This one smells really good. It smells like tropical. This is like, I should have worn my other one, but this is one that you would definitely want to wear like when you're on vacation. So yeah, doing that. Okay, so I gotta take like Mother's Day pictures and then also my 2 campaigns. I'm trying to find one more dress to wear. I need to switch my dresses up a little bit just for this. Yeah, I'm gonna take my hair. Let me go ahead and get. Oh.
Say cheese. Mama.
Okay.
Now go. Say hi, Jackson. Say
Jackson, say cheese.
Say peace sign. Say peace
Press the
sign.
button, Ivy.
Ready, I'm ready.
Go. Say yay, queen.
Stay.
All this stuff gotta go. Come on.
Go back inside. Y'all say cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, I can't even see their outfits, but
Cheese. Give mommy a hug.
you go over by mama.
Give mommy a hug. Okay.
Jackson.
Ivy. I know my hair, I feel it.
Yeah, move that
Girl.
girl. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's on me. Y'all. My hair is fucking up. Okay, so my sister is here doing my pictures. She come through all the time. Sis, you want to be on camera? Oh, you okay? Okay.
Don't look in the back. Look to the front.
To the front. That's all that matters.
Okay, great.
Hi kids. Hi kids. What you doing, kids? You put a picture? Okay, let's go.
Hey, what we at? Got your pop right here. That ain't pop.
Jackson.
That was $100 YouTube cameras, ain't it? You
Yeah,
can record
a
and
vlogging camera.
yeah. You high tech for sure.
Got half a cup.
Andy showed me what y'all videos. I was like, oh, that's it. I do know somebody on that motherfucker.
Y'all see the fit. Y'all see the hair. Boom. I have this cute little baby doll dress from Target. Currently it's 20% off. And I got my little bag from Amazon. I will link the bag down below for you guys. Yeah. I'm actually obsessed with this dress. Like, it's kind of short, but you know, it's cute. And I actually put my hair up in a little bun or whatever because it just wasn't given. Just wanted to come on here and show y'all my fit because I look cute. The pictures were so good. I might have to actually share with you guys once the campaign and stuff goes up, which will probably be in the next vlog that you guys will actually be able to see like the pictures and stuff that I did. But yeah, about to go ahead and finish time with family. Wait a second, I have to come back. His pockets. Shut up.
I don't think Jimmy will ever dated Jimmy. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa. She's beautiful already. I'm sorry. You are too.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. I got 4 pictures. What you got?
Say, I'm trying to
See, it's because y'all thinking it's me. That's why.
No, that's what I'm saying. I don't think it's you. I really don't. Say it. I think it's somebody that look like you. Golly, man. Grown to play Phoenix card. Only thing is that you got to be over 40. No.
So I wanted to come and show y'all while I'm home because cute. So this is the dress. So it's Mother's Day weekend and
Hey Mom, you want to try half of my peanut butter and sunshine sandwich? Some grody things, but that is disgusting.
no.
Have your own things yet. There we go. Okay, let's go back to it. There we go.
Dustin, you poo poo?
So much packaging through an egg. Woo. There we go. We need lots more work on it.
Why did you poo poo? Why didn't you tell me you had to go potty? Let's wrestle. I get you. Oh, Jackson, oh, watch your heads. Oh man, it's okay. He hit you in the head.
It's Mother's Day. It's Mommy Day.
What?
It's Mother's Day, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
That's a sad cheese.
The kids are about to be off to Auntie and Granny's house. Sister's on the phone.
Good morning.
You wanna say hi? Say hi. Come on, let me try to fix something to your head. Say hi. Hi. I said I was gonna go pick out some more stuff from there because I found what I want from there and I'm not using all my card. So I'm gonna go get y'all something from there.
Hi, welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, yes, can I get a venti caramel macchiato with salted cream foam at the top and caramel drizzle inside the cup, please? Also, I'm up here at Starbucks. My sister sent me a gift card for Starbucks today for Mother's Day. And so yeah, I just dropped the kids off, y'all. I want to say just like thank God for my village because motherhood is, oh child, it's a lot. So they are by their aunt and grandma today, and I have a facial that's scheduled today at 4. So I had a massage scheduled, but then my husband ended up having to go to work, so I had to cancel it, and so I had to reschedule, but they only had a 4 o'clock available, so that's what I'm going with. I'm gonna go home first. I know I should be working on Mother's Day, but I just want to get my next vlog out with. Hi.
Beach 407, how are you doing today?
Great, how about yourself?
Doing great.
Exactly. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want. Okay, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just wear this dress. This is the dress that I literally just took pictures in for Mother's Day. I may wear it with like this bag. Oh, where should I do? Child. And I'm not putting on any makeup because it's nasty outside, like I just mentioned. Oh, let me do my face though. I wanted to go to Georgiana, like. Girl. I look beautiful without makeup, so I'm not wearing no makeup today. I had one scheduled already, had to cancel it. Then I was able to reschedule, but I wasn't able to get my, you know, what I really wanted, a massage. But that's okay. So I go to Hand and Stone. Sorry, it's a little loud. I go to Hand and Stone for my massage. Sorry, I'm talking to the camera. In case you thought I was talking to you. But I mean, you can still try to. You can, no, I just said you can.
I'm gonna go. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'll give me like 5 minutes. I'll call you right back.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So, like I said, sorry sis, if you're watching this. Child, what was I even talking about? Tati, your days are numbered. I need one of those like little, I need one of those little bar things. That you can like, you know, sculpt your face and stuff with. I really need to start sculpting my face. Yeah, I'm trying to rush because my sister said she wanted to go to Blue Sushi. All right, guys, I'm ready to go. I have on my dress from Target, and I got my JW Pay bag, and I have on my Gucci slides because it's kind of rainy outside. Pay bag, but I kind of want to wear this one because I'm wearing black. I'm gonna wear this one. Plus, I can fit more stuff in this one too. Yeah, I'll just wear this one. I already have my stuff in there anyways. I just need my lip balm. I'm good to go. Y'all, look at my sis got me. Thanks, sis. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hopefully it's not too busy. I know, hopefully. She got me this bracelet. I was trying to put it on yesterday. Girl, I was struggling. Yeah, it is. It's like tight. I'm assuming it's tight. It's open. How do you open it? Headed to my massage. Jalea and his camera back there, but I have a massage that I'm going to right now. I'm at the place to get my facial. Hi. Yes, for Jerrieal.
Very take a while.
What?
And this one should just be a quick signature, okay?
No.
Put the jaw things in.
Okay. Can I go use the restroom?
Yeah, it's like second all the way to the left.
Okay, thank you. Y'all, do y'all see my skin? Oh my gosh. So he did a some type of machine. I don't know, let's look over there. We use that machine. It was almost like a dermal is it a dermal infusion? I think it was a dermal infusion, but she added like some vitamin C serum. Oh, my skin is glowing. With the kids first. Yeah. You see it glowing?
I love it. Did you fall asleep?
Girl, I couldn't. The hands was feeling good. I couldn't even go to sleep. Because they give you like a massage and stuff too.
Oh, she did like a
shoulder massage, and I was like, ooh. Maybe I'll just. Ooh, look at the skin. Say thank God I get to wake up by your side. You don't. Y'all, my skin is glowing. It's looking like glass. It looks like glass. Just be real with y'all for a second. I know I'm not the only one that goes into, you know what store, Target, and ends up buying things that I don't even need. But look how cute it is. Ooh, she's cute. Jackson, what you doing? Okay, y'all, so I think I talked to y'all earlier once I got home from Ivy's field day, but now I'm off of work and we're about to have a movie night. So the kids have already taken their baths and all that good stuff, and we're about to chill and watch a movie. I got my water because I'm also gonna be editing this vlog, the next vlog. I got my meal prep for tonight. So yeah, about to go into the kids' room. Yeah, I have cheeseburger. Yeah, I have French fries.
Okay, man.
Okay. I don't want that. Thank you. Y'all, so I just got done taking a bath. Good night. Say cheese. Cheese. All I need is you. Wow, look at you. Y'all, I have to go to not one, but 2 Targets because I accidentally split my order up on pickup. And I got my kids with me, so I can't just go and pick up the couple things that I split, you know?
You watch TV, Mommy?
Yep, you can watch TV.
It's
Will
not
you get out?
fantasy. That man.
His family. This is no future for my son.
Oh, Papa, you.
Y'all, I just picked up my first order. On to the second pot. What are you saying, Ivy?